Yo, what's good, YouTube family? It's your boy Kyle Chartbully back with another video. Know it's been a minute. Hope everybody is well. So real quick, where have I been? I just been busy, been working. Got a new job, so super excited about that. It's really cool. Doing more IT work and stuff like that. But yeah, just been living life and chilling, doing other side businesses, other channels. I have more than one YouTube channel, so I apologize. I put this on the back burner. Time's just been kind of tight, but yeah, I decided that going forward, I'm just gonna do a midweek on Wednesday and a pre-market analysis on Sunday or Monday, maybe probably Monday, because you know I like to wait for Mondays to play out. So I think that'll be better for my time, just doing two a week. And I don't have to worry about doing every day, because you guys for the most part know what you're doing. And then on top of that, pre-market for like the week coming and midweek are probably the two of the most important times anyways. So I decided to just do two of those. So real quick, let's go ahead and run through these. We're gonna start on gold. Gold is pushing up towards 1841, so we do have a nice target area right here for our TP1 that we can target. Strong bullish candle right here engulfing these two wicks right here, so driving right through that. Nice 231 pips right there. And it's just been going up off of this low right here, so it's nice swing low right here that you can see. It's just been pushing up, and we're going towards this, and we'll see what happens if we get right here. Tomorrow's Thursday, so once it plays past here, you know, it could have some trouble getting past the big figure right here, 1851. Well, really the big figure's 1852. So we'll see what happens, but tomorrow's definitely bullish for gold. We're looking for bullish buys. Let's go to the H1, so we can see the lower highs being made right here. So boom, so all of this, you can see the stairs going up, and right here as well. Sorry about the loud clicks. My mouse is right next to the mic here. But yeah, you can see that we're definitely on the way up. We do have the TP1 right here, like I said, and if we zoom out, TP2 is going to be like up here as well. Okay, so that's pretty short. As of right now, it's only 62 pips away, so it's gonna run through the TP1, and then we'll get to our TP2, which is also the ADR high, hopefully tomorrow. All right, so let's go M15. So right now we are in Asia, so we take our fib from the low to the high. We could take it down here, but I'll use this low right here on the big push. So as usual, we're looking for price to get where? Buy zone, low risk buy zone. If you check the strategy tester videos I put out, you can see me do this all the time. So you'll know that's what we're looking for. So you can see, let's try to get in around here. And also, I wouldn't be surprised if it takes these lows out first. Just because it gets a little past equilibrium, just take these lows out and then kind of spike up. So we're looking for W's, we're looking for railroad tracks, we're looking for spikes, any type of manipulation, you know, to let us know like, yo, this is going up, you know. All right, so that's it for gold. Gold's pretty straightforward, nothing too crazy there. EU, so EU has been making waves down. So starting right here at the top, it's just been going down and down and down. So you can see it just slowly making its way, its descent down to this key level down here. And also, yep, we have a lot of liquidity right here. So wicks on top of wicks, all right here. Excuse me. So yeah, a lot of liquidity down here, and like I said, we're just making our way down. Just, you can see the, I guess it's a, I don't know what type of shape that is, like an A shape or something, like, but yeah, we're just making our way down, and I would go for yesterday's low. So let's see where yesterday's low is at. All right, yeah, so I would be targeting these lows for tomorrow. It may not make it all the way down there, but if it does, great. If not, it's cool. We also have a chance for a zone flip in this area. So if price gets anywhere, start of this box into the middle, and then you kind of see some spikes or M or railroad track or some type of fast up, fast down move, then maybe we're making our way down here as well. This probably more of a zone flip for H1 to like an H4 move. I wouldn't be looking for like on the M30 too much. You can take your entries there, but I would probably play it because it may it could also stagger for a little while before it starts making its way down. M15, let's see here, low to the high. This is a pretty big range, but whatever. We'll go up here. I probably would take this range up here just because I don't want to take it at the top of the Asia box. So we're definitely still looking bullish. I don't really like the strong move down here. Let me see here. Oh, sorry, I said bullish, bearish. Long term we're bearish, but I have to change this up. So long term we're bearish, but the way this is looking, just keep an eye out if it runs these highs. So if it runs these highs right here, it could very well keep going up and then make its way down. But watch this high, like this zone flip is going to be a big area. So M15, I'm looking for a range high around here, but if it gets into this box, do not be surprised if it bounces off here as well. Okay, but I'm still looking for I'm looking more for sells, but I wouldn't be surprised if it was bullish just because of how today finished out. Okay, so sorry, that's a little confusing there, but just keep it simple. Short term we are bearish, short term we could be bullish, so you need to play as one. Trade what you see on this one, as there's no really confirmed swing high or swing low to really go off of. Okay, sorry, I don't mean to make it that confusing for you guys. Bitcoin is a no-fly zone right now. Nothing really going on. This is all just BS. This is all back and forth trading. No real moves. Crypto's been having a rough 2 months, honestly. It's just been falling down, bad news, countries banning it, a whole bunch of stuff, man. So just stay out of Bitcoin for right now until it shows it wants to make another bull run, or if it's going to run these lows down here and we get to 27. Okay, US Hundo, aka US 30, making our way up. If we go on the monthly, we're still at all-time highs. I haven't been trading this all summer. It did make some moves a little bit, been pushing up, but nothing really to trade here. Once we get to the top of this range, you see any type of staggers, feel free to try to take a sell, just because nice risk reward ratio, and take us all the way maybe back down. Might take a while, but US 30, whatever they feel like pushing it back down to make its descent, to take out all of these stops and liquidity down here, they're going to do so. Okay, so just keep your eye out for that. Until then, it's not really worth your time. GJ is looking good for a sell. Nice swing high, forming right here. So lower high to the left, lower high to the right. H1, you can see here, we had this peak right here, and then we kind of had this little formation right here, and it's been moving down ever since. We took out these equal lows, which is great. So tomorrow we will be aiming for down here is gonna be a little too far maybe, but anywhere like ADR low right here, 151, 255 looks good to me. These wicks right here, this looks like a good TP for tomorrow as well. Okay, in the same situation, we could definitely get a zone flip right here as well. Could come back up, touch this, and then work its way back down. M15, so let's take it from the low to the high. This is the current low, so it's all I have to go off of. This is a big range, so I'm not gonna go all the way up here. Usually for that, I'll go like middle of it. So we'll be looking for a stop hunt high above the Asia box, somewhere in the sell zone, low risk sell zone, and make our way back down to the low. Okay, like I said, this would be my target. So it's kind of a big Asia range if we look at it. This is 65 pips, which is larger than usual. So I wouldn't be surprised if price literally just came right up to the zone flip area right here that we have marked, and then work its way back down. Okay. All right. So short and simple. That's the way I usually do it. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the Telegram chat. Besides that, I appreciate y'all. Thanks for sticking with me through these months since I started up. I know I've been the most consistent. I try. I have a busy life like much of y'all. Not an excuse, but hopefully with this new format, you know, I can stay on it and then be able to answer more questions. If you do have any questions, feel free to put them in the chat. Share your results. You know, just talk. I like to see how you guys are doing. It doesn't have to be about trading. But yeah, I look forward to hearing from y'all. If you have any questions, let me know. If you did like the analysis, feel free to leave a comment, like the video, subscribe. I would appreciate it. Until next time, I'll talk to you guys.